Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We see that y divided by x and x divided by y. This is about degree number 1. So we can use about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have dy over dx. First derivative of v, we got about dv over dx multiplied by x. Next, I will do first derivative of x, so you got about v. So this one we will change by this one. Y equal to vx, we change by this one in here and here. S divided by s, you got about v. So v minus v in here. This one you got about v square s square. S square divided by s square, you got about 1. Number 1, we can do about factorization. That should be we do about common denominator. So we can get about v square over v square. So we have v square and v square. We can do the same in the one fractions in here. So this one we put on the left, the s and s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So in this situation, I will add about positive number 1. Later that we need to minus about number 1 because I want to create about the factor divided by 1 plus v square. This one we will have about 1 minus 1 over 1 plus v square because 1 plus v square divided by 1 plus v square, you got about number 1. The integration of number 1, you got about v. The integration of this one, we have arctan of v. The integration of the s over s, you got about ln of the absolute value of s, and we put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And we need to change v into y over s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.